My name is Wayne Bayer. I'm a public adjuster with Florida Adjusters. I also do commercial inspections and need to take hundreds of photos per location. One day as I was uploading photos from an inspection, the process was interrupted and ended up deleting all of the photos on my SD card for that location. I was beside myself, as you can just imagine. I searched the SD card, every photo and document location on my computer for hours, but didn't find the photos. I next searched the internet for ideas. Later that day, a friend recommended Stellar Photo Recovery. I decided to try the one-year subscription. It was the best decision. I recovered all of the deleted photos, and it didn't take long to do. What a lifesaver that proved to be. I would have had to travel 3 hours round trip in order to take more photos. I'm so happy to have found Stellar Photo Recovery, and I highly recommend it.